I think you're going to love this one. Today we are making something warm, soft and so delicious that your whole kitchen will smell amazing. Let me show you how to make these beautiful homemade cinnamon buns step by step. Into a mixing bowl, add 260 ml of warm milk. Next, add 1 tablespoon of instant yeast, followed by 3 tablespoons of sugar. Crack in 1 egg, then mix everything together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Now, go ahead with 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half cup of melted butter. Mix everything gently with a spatula or wooden spoon until the dough starts to come together. Once it becomes difficult to stir, use your hands to bring the dough together. Knead it for about 5 minutes or until it becomes smooth, soft and slightly elastic. A little kneading goes a long way in creating that light, fluffy texture that we all love. Lightly grease the dough with about 1 tablespoon of oil. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, then place a clean kitchen towel over it. Let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 hour to 1 hour 30 minutes or until it has doubled in size. While the dough is rising, let's prepare the peeling. Combine half cup of room temperature butter, half cup of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Mix everything together until it is smooth and creamy. The smell at this stage is already amazing. Once the dough has doubled in size, gently punch it down to release the trapped air. Transfer it to a work surface and shape it into a rough rectangle with your hands before rolling it out. Then roll the dough into a large rectangle with an even thickness. Spread the cinnamon filling evenly over the entire surface of the dough, making sure every corner is well coated. That way, every bite is packed with delicious cinnamon flavor. Fold one long side of the dough over the other to enclose the filling. Using a sharp knife or dough scraper, cut the dough into strips about 2 cm wide. You can make them slightly thicker or thinner depending on the size of the buns you will like. Take one strip, gently stretch it a little, then twist it in several times. Roll it into a spiral just like a little snail and tuck the end underneath to hold its shape. It is much easier than it looks, and after 1 or 2 you will get the hang of it. Repeat the same process with the remaining strips and place each bun on a lined baking tray, leaving a little space between them. Cover the buns again with a clean towel and let them rise for another 15 minutes. This second rise helps make them extra soft and fluffy after baking. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until the buns are beautifully golden brown on top. And just look at those beautiful cinnamon buns, soft, fluffy, and filled with layer of buttery cinnamon goodness. While they are still slightly warm, you can drizzle them with your favorite glaze. Today I'm using a simple powdered sugar glaze because it is quick, delicious, and gives the buns just the right amount of sweetness. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I will see you in my next video.